Hey guys, welcome back to Car System Installation. Today we have a 2021 Dodge Durango Hellcat. This vehicle is a push-button vehicle, and one of the things that we noticed lately, a lot of the push-button vehicles, it become very easy to boost their keys for the thieves, create a new key by the V number or different ways, and start the vehicle and drive away, without you even having them with a key. We've seen that in Dodge vehicles, in Ford vehicles, Chrysler vehicles, Lexus, Toyotas, and different vehicles. So we have an anti-theft device that does not allow the vehicle to be driven away without a combination of buttons. Now the beauty of this system that you don't actually have a separate system that will see any buttons or anything that will indicate that there is anything there. It will be a combination of buttons using the factory buttons. So every vehicle, the buttons will be different. What's available for the customer is different. You can choose a code between 3 to 20. So you can have 20 buttons pressed and only then the car will start. The code can be changed as many times as you want. The technician will sit with the customer and will show them how the code can be changed, and they can change it themselves as many times as they want. So right now what we're going to do, I'm going to try to start the vehicle, and I'm going to go into the car, press the button, show you what's happening. So let's go into the car. So as you can see, I have the original key. And I'm going to try to start the vehicle, pressing the push button, and the car won't start. Now I'm going to tap in the combination of buttons that I have. Okay, I just got a confirmation on my dash that shows me that the combination is accepted. And I'm going to press start button, car running, and we are good to go. Put the car in gear, drive away, have no issue. Now, let's see the next feature. So this vehicle actually has a factory remote starter. So we know people are worried about would they be able to use the remote starter. So yes, the remote starter can be used. So once you use the remote starter, the system that we have will allow the car to start, but would it allow you to drive away? So let's try that. Okay, the vehicle will turn on. So the car is running, the car is warm, nice. Let's go into the vehicle. Now I'm going to follow the key takeover procedure in the Dodge. I'm going to press the push button once, and my dashboard lit up. Technically, I should be able to drive away. Press the brake, try to put the car in gear. As you can see, I'm stuck on park. I cannot change the car to reverse, neutral, or drive. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tap in my code. And I just got a confirmation, and I'm going to be able to put the car in gear and drive away. So the remote starter is still functional, the car is still secure, and we have a system that protects your car. The anti-theft device is available at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.